I am going to be hiking solo today. Wanted to do a little bit of a longer and harder hike, doing a 10-mile round trip hike to Lewis Peak, and the kids thought that was a little bit too long and a little bit too hard. When you're hiking with kids, you got to make sure that there's something cool at the end of the hike for them, whether that's a waterfall, a hot springs, a regular cool spring coming out of the mountain, a cave, something that is a reward for them at the end of the hike. So anyways, so that peak out there is where we're headed. We still gotta go up that ridge line, around there, and in there. Made it to Lewis Peak. So this hike that I'm doing, I chose to do this one, do a little bit longer hike, because I'm going to be taking the two bigger kids into the backcountry on a backpacking camping trip over 4th of July weekend. So I need to start getting in a little bit better shape so that we can make that trip a success. Also, this is just kind of a little bit of a milestone in that this will be the longest hike I've done in maybe 20 years or so. I've been on a little bit of a weight loss journey, and so I've been getting in shape. So to get in shape, I did the Couch to 5K program, which was great, but I haven't run in two weeks since the wife and I went on vacation to South Carolina. So on the way down from this hike, I've been trying to get in a little bit of running, just to where the trail's flat and not too rocky. There's the parking lot down there. We're getting close.